Hello and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the new spins. I'm going to be spinning these like quite a few times, maybe 20 times in this one video. So that's going to be pretty cool. Also, this ability from like a week ago, sorry I haven't been uploading, I've just been on a holiday, but I'm back now, so that's good. Okay. And then this kid, okay, well, just got him. Anyways, oh goodness me. Oh, that's kind of easy. I have spun the wheel 3 times already, got nothing good. But that's alright. I'm dominating this lobby. I think I just jinxed it. Oh my goodness. Oh. I don't know if he was AFK. I think he was. These last 2 kids, we're gonna get him. Oopsies. Oh, that nearly got me. Oh. Oh my gosh. I just dominated that lobby. Claim that. Okay, let's do our first spin. I'm just going to quickly buy 1 spin. So that won't count to the 20 spins, okay? Oh, a sci-fi spin! Yay! It's not too bad. Come on, something good. Oh, I got Serpent Shadow Clone. Wait, what? Oh, I have little clones running around. That's quite cool. Oh, I clicked way too many times. Okay, come on. Come on. Oops, I thought that was coming to me. Ah, come on. Hit the ball to me, please. Well, he just got killed. As you do in this game. Whoa. Oh no. What is this? Come on. Come on. You thought that was to me, bro. Yeah, I wish I got Titan Blade instead of the Shadow Clone thing. I can't lie. Oh. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, bro. Got him. Okay, let's start this. I'll just turn on AFK. Let's buy these spins. 10 spins. I can't do it again. Are you serious? Okay. Close that. Okay, what do I get? First spin, 400 coins. Kind of disappointing. Kind of disappointing. Whoa, this is disappointing. Are you serious? This is sad. Oh, 2,000 coins. I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining. Oh, sci-fi spin. Not too bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, that's pretty good. Another 2K. Sheesh. Come on, what do I get? Oh, 1,000 coins. I've nearly made all the money I just spent back. Oh, let's go. Oh, I got the sword. Oh, claim this, can I? Yes, I can after this. Oh, another 1,000. Oh my. Come on, what do I get? Dang it, 500. Are you serious? I made all my money back. That's crazy. Oh, another sci-fi spin. I'm happy with that. Turn off AFK. I'll do the next spin soon. Okay, infinity. Not bad. Not bad. Another infinity. Oh, but I have it for 30 minutes. I might use Shadow Claw. I don't really like it. That's just my opinion. I have to buy them individually. Are you serious? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just get 5 ready. No, I'll just get all 10 ready. Sold out? Well, that's going to be my last. You serious? That's kind of sad. That is kind of sad. No. Okay, enough of that. Oh, I need to turn it off AFK. Oh, it was off and then I nearly just turned it back on. Ooh. Ooh. Hit the ball to me, buddy. Buddy double to me. Oh gosh. Goodness me. I wish I had infinity. It's so good. Oh, I thought that was gonna come to me. Yay, that's a kill. Oh. After this, yeah, I probably will use Shadow Clone or whatever. Yeah, what is it? I can't see. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh. Come on, bro. She's going so slow. No, I'm going so slow. Oh, I love infinity. If I got it, I would cry. Like, instead of like, just for the certain amount of time, I would cry. If I actually like got it for me to have forever. Okay, I don't know if I'd cry, I'd just be very dang happy. Okay, I'll do probably like, maybe how many spins? I'll get down to 5 spins and we'll do the 5 later. The 5 that are left. Come on, something good. Come on, please. Something good. No! That's kind of sad. Oh, perfect timing. Dang it, I didn't put on the shadow thing. Oh, peoples are hitting the ball. Oh. Okay, he wants to really... Bro, everyone's just chasing it, like me. Because it's a good strategy. Come on, humans. This is when the other ability's good, like... Oh, dang it. I can't even see it. Okay. 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 Boy, infinity would be so good in 1v1s. What just happened? Okay, let's get the other 5 spins done. What do I get? Oh, wait, I already got that. I didn't even use it. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh, wait, I got the blaze blade. That looks a bit basic. But that's alright. Oh, this one's much better though. I might stick to... Oh, I'm going to use it for this one. Should I favorite that? No. Okay, let's see what I get. Okay. Oh, sci-fi spin. Okay, come on. Something good, right? Oh, no. Last spin after this. After this, last spin. Okay, last one. Come on. Oh, ballerina dance. Okay, come on. Something good. Something good. I think I just got coins because I saw my coins go up. Yeah. Anyways, I'll finish this then. Forgot what I was going to say. Well, oh my god, just goodness, not good, just. Oh gosh. Oops. Oh my god. I'm so sorry for that. One of my tabs just lagged and went into the screen. I'm so sorry. I'm actually so sorry. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, can't kill me. Can't kill me. Can't kill me. But can people stop hitting it to me? I need to do something. I need to do something. Go. Oh no. Trying to check something. Okay, come on. Are you serious? He hits it to me. Hit it to that guy. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use infinity for this 1v1. Oh, let's go. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna go AFK. And okay, I'm back. And shout out to EL Ronaldo Gamer. Thank you for the support. And yeah, that's gonna have to wrap it up for today's video. So wait a minute. No, I need to do these spins. Yeah, but shout out to EL Ronaldo Gamer, which thank you for the support. And yeah. Okay, what did I just get? I thought I said I got to... Whoa, I did. Okay, yeah. See you in the... Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. It's completely free. And see you in the next one. Peace.